All right, let's talk about fixing your life. Not in a dramatic, burn everything down and start over kind of way, but in a clean, elevated, effortless kind of way. Like a good blazer. It just fits better when you tailor it to you. So, first things first. You wake up, not when your anxiety does, but intentionally. Around 6 or 7 a.m. if you can. You get up, you drink water, you touch the earth. That could mean stretching, walking, or just standing there like a mysterious wellness guru with your tea. You move, you breathe, you exist. And then, you don't scroll. Instead, you do that 10-minute thing we all avoid. Journaling, meditating, just being. Trust me, your brain needs a moment before it starts performing on the stage of life. Then comes the work part. Deep focus, no distractions. You're not here to be busy. You're here to be intentional. Pick 3 priorities, just 3. That's it. Tackle them like a well-edited outfit. Clean, sharp, no excess. And please, take breaks. Hydrate. Look away from the screen. You are not a productivity robot. You're a human. A fabulous one. Evening rolls in. You're winding down, not crashing. Think. A soft landing, not a collapse. You eat something light. You unplug. Screens go off. You give your mind the gift of quiet. It's elegant, really. Before bed, you plan for tomorrow. Not in a "my life is a mess" panic, but like a boss. A graceful, got-it-together, slightly glowing boss. Fixing your life isn't about a miracle. It's about momentum. Small, stylish steps, done consistently. Like skincare. Results come from what you do every day, not once in a crisis. You don't need a total reinvention. You just need rhythm, presence, and maybe a really good playlist. So go on. Romanticize your life, but in a way that actually works.